wake up feeling tired. My body feels so slow. My eyes feel very heavy. I move very low. The morning feels so quiet. The room is soft and still. I try to start my day, but I feel no will.
I breathe in slowly now. I take a little rest. My body tells my mind I did my very best. I feel tired right now. My legs feel weak today. I feel tired right now. I need a break, okay? I feel tired inside. I slow my busy mind. I feel tired today. I try to be kind.
I sit down on my chair. I close my tired eyes. My thoughts move very slowly, like clouds across the sky. I worked a little too much. I slept a little late. My body asks for rest before it gets too late.
Being tired is okay. It happens every day. I listen to my body and give myself some space. I feel tired right now. My legs feel weak today. I feel tired right now. I need a break, okay? I feel tired inside. I slow my busy mind. I feel tired today. I try to be kind.
I drink a glass of water. I stretch my arms and feet. I take a moment quietly. I slow down my heartbeat. I do not rush my steps. I move at my own pace. Resting for a moment is not a losing race.
Feeling tired does not mean that I am not strong. It means I worked hard today for a little too long. I learned to stop and listen. I learn when I should rest. Taking care of myself is always for the best. I feel tired right now. My legs feel weak today. I feel tired right now. I need a break, okay? I feel tired inside. I slow my busy mind. I feel tired today. I try to be kind.
The day begins to slow. The sky turns soft and gray. I think about tomorrow and let this feeling stay. I rest my body gently. I breathe calm and deep. Feeling tired today means I will sleep. I close my eyes softly. I let the tiredness go. Rest will bring new energy. For tomorrow I know